Match number 58. एक तरफ है
around their neck, and few of the umpires we saw taking it off. Tough match. See that 2 points, the booster rounds is 2 extra points for a team lying low.
नवीन, जब मैं बचपन में जिम्बाब्वे की मैचेस देखता था ना, अगर इंडिया के अगेंस्ट नहीं हो तो चाहता था कि जिम्बाब्वे वो उलटफेर कर ले, और उलटफेर यानी अंडरडॉग्स को जीतता हुआ देखना, वो मतलब दिल को एकदम ठंडक पहुंचाती है।
जैसे चेन्नई स्पोर्ट्स ने सैमी एकेडमी के खिलाफ सक्सेसफुल। Oh God, how could that be possible? Nanda Kumar is such a experienced raider. As Shankar Nalluswamy comes in. Navneet, after this do-or-die raid, Yelumalai once again falters and commits that crime. Every time from that left corner, I've seen him. Yes, Navneet, my breakfast is always boring and regular.
जी, लेकिन अगर बोरिंग है, रेगुलर है, मुझे याद है एक बार विराट कोहली बोल रहे थे कि अगर प्रदर्शन अच्छा करना है ना, तो वो जो ट्रेनिंग होता है वो भी बोरिंग होता है, वो जो इनिंग्स की डेवलपमेंट होती है वो भी बोरिंग होती है। और देखिए, ये जो आप रेगुलरिटी अपने ब्रेकफास्ट में रखते हैं, वही करपगम यूनिवर्सिटी अपने
About the breakfast, what do you eat? Regular ones or variety ones in the morning?
मैंने आज कुछ अलग खाया है। मैंने ओट्स खाया है बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स के साथ, और मैंगो शेक था, और काफ़ी आज मुझे अच्छा फील हो रहा है। तो मैंने सोचा कि आपसे भी पूछ लूं, और इसी बात पे आपसे थोड़ी बातचीत हो जाएगी, आपकी हाल पता चल जाएगी। और बहुत दिन से मैंने आपके बारे में पूछा नहीं था, तो सोचा पूछ लूं।
So sweet, so sweet. But yeah, nice breakfast. And then here, nice way that finally Sivagangai Warriors have opened their account. Solo dash first, again attempted from Manikandan Nesamani, does not work. Left corner, I think there was a defender also stepping out, so one extra point, and that dash earning 2 points here for Sivagangai. He's gone in, kicked, running kick, wonderful execution, Shankar Nalluswamy, fabulous. Let's check that out once again. It's not easy, I'll tell you that. He's attacked Nanda Kumar. Raider has been taken off there, Navneet. Running kick, and he kicks the chain. Exactly kicks the chain. So successful, and the support. Yeah, wonderful. Ramurthy with that first tackle point. Super tackle situation here, Navneet. And I think now Sivagangai needs to just let him go. Just let him go. I just said let him go, but there was a jersey pull. I saw that. Or is it? No, they acknowledge it. They acknowledge it as Udi's super tackle.
जी हाँ, ऊटी's Goodies super tackle.
More than money that he's given to his team. Yeah, see, I believe in this now, because relationships are more important. I'm sorry, I'm saying that on air as well. It's not that I don't care about money. It's not that I have a lot of money. People should not take me in the wrong sense. A couple of points here. Even though the Raider does not use the lobby and turn around, it's the advanced tackles here from Sivagangai Warriors which is hurting them. Again, anti-block. Doesn't turn and uses the lobby on a
9 और 7 एन सूर्या यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए गए थे, और करपगम यूनिवर्सिटी जो इतनी देर से शिवगंगा के शिव है कि क्या शिवगंगई यहाँ पर वो बड़ा उलटफेर कर सकती है, या फिर करपगम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए ये वॉक इन द पार्क होगा। और पार्क की बात अगर चर्चा करें तो पूरे भारतवर्ष में गर्मी कम हो रही है, और यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे पकड़े जाएंगे। शिवगंगई को मिलेगा एक और पॉइंट, और स्कोर पहुंच जाएगा 10 और 9।
गर्मी की बात की आपने।
सुपर टैकल ऑन है, यहाँ पे देखिए ऊटीज गुडी सुपर टैकल का मौका है। एन शंकर रेड लगाने के लिए आए, किक तो मारा है, लड़खड़ाते हुए अपने आप को बचाया लॉबी से जाने के लिए, क्योंकि संपर्क नहीं हुआ था और संपर्क नहीं होता है तो आप लॉबी में नहीं जा सकते। और यहाँ पे बुलडोज करते हुए फंस गए। शिव गंगाई को मिलेगा 2 पॉइंट और स्कोर हो जाएगा 12 और 11।
Right. Sivagangai Warriors now, they can keep up this momentum with the good defense. What did I say? That exactly they'll have to do. Yelumalai finally goes in, gets the proper hold of the Raider Ooties Goodies.
मैच बिल्कुल फंसा हुआ है, टाइट गेम 12 और 12। क्या आप ये उम्मीद कर रहे थे नवीन? यहाँ पर फर्स्ट हाफ खत्म होने वाला है और देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल पॉइंट टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन दीस टू साइड्स।
Yeah, this is good. This is very good. Defensive errors. Yelumalai, come on, stop it, my friend. Just stop it.
2 points.
Surya Nalandi.
University. Just number 2 and 10 out.
And the way he goes, see, this is a problem. See, I'll tell you why he does not understand this. Once again, he goes in for the solo tackle. And look at the anti-dashing power that Surya Nalandi exhibits. The defender from that left end jumps over. There's a couple of points. Surya has, I think, brought about the difference. Navneet, we were saying 12 all, no difference, tight game, yes, but that 2-pointer rate is now the mega difference. And this ankle hold. Gajendra Murthy says Nanda Kumar, no more giving the upper hand to Sivagangai Warriors. And the impeccable timing of Gajendra Murthy Murugeson's ankle holds once again in front of our eyes. There, the moment he lands and puts his weight on his left leg, that's the time they go for that ankle hold. Gajendra Murthy is a master in doing it. I mean, Karpagam University has given us phenomenal. Yeah, right. That was nice. Even if that is a delayed thing, it shouldn't have been 30. Yeah, nevertheless, it's a super tackle situation. Surya will like to wipe it off. Navneet, the defense. Oh, watch out. They should not attack him first. And because Karpagam won the toss, they will raid first. Can they keep this attack? I said do not attack first, but they have gone in and attacked him. Still 8 seconds, 5 seconds left. The struggle is on, but he will succumb to that strong ankle hold from Praveen Natchiappanraj. Yeah, Ooties Goody super tackle now. Good start. Very good start for Sivagangai Warriors.
जी बिल्कुल, और जब पकड़े जाएंगे ना और लास्ट के क्षणों में उनको देखिएगा, वो ना पकड़े जाने के बाद मध्य रेखा को अपनी मंजिल पर पहुंच नहीं पाया। 15-15
Jersey number 66 out.
Do or die.
Keeping Van Dam Lois together. He should have been there until this rate. He could have. The substitution could have happened after this because they needed a defender. Do or die raid. See, this is a problem.
Wait.
Selva Kumar, how many points?
Number 2 first.
He's been asked to wait though. Manivandan with the dash is not. He's a left-hander, but he's the greatest right-hand batter the world has seen.
Bonus plus 2 points. Karpagam University.
It's a Velamal super raid.
Jersey number
He's also got the
2 and
bonus
16
point. I wonder where the bonus was. Because the ankle hold attempt probably came in after the bonus attempt. Yeah, maybe there. There's a bonus. It's the first super raid of this match. And I think Karpagam has probably strengthening the defense for a super tackle. That's good. Gajendra Murthy loves this situation. How many times have we seen him wipe off the team during the 2 or 3 defender scenario? He once again wants to struggle. He once again wants to go out. Can the defenders just push him off the lobby? They say one defender out of bound and it is Ooties Goody super tackle. That's the sign that I saw.
1 point Karpagam University.
Yeah.
Jersey number 12 out.
Yeah. Unfortunately, Santosh Ravichandran goes out there. Navneet. Ankle hold was strong from Venkatesh and Vaigai Vendan.
Do or
But
die.
then Santosh Ravichandran, did he bounce off? He did. He bounced outside the lobby. But yeah, Ooties Goody super tackle nevertheless. Do or die red. Nanda Kumar turns things around. Navneet, this is swinging both ways.
Jersey number 9 and 6 out.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, वो बचपन में जो झूला रहता था सी सॉ कहते थे और इस बैटल को हम कहेंगे सी सॉ बैटल। क्या कमाल का खेल देखने को मिल रहा है। आप उम्मीद नहीं कर रहे थे कि ये जो बड़ी टीम है यहाँ पर आसानी से वॉक इन द पार्क रहेगा, लेकिन शिव गंगई ने कहा है कि वो जो
He cannot change his action without informing the umpire or the batter. But the batter can switch. Batter can switch anything. Let's come back to that discussion because I remember my big idol Harsha Bogle getting into a conversation with this. Surya Nalusamy in a do-or-die raid jumps over. Once again an error from Yelumalai. This is going too tight, too tight. So Harsha Bogle, I think, got not just into a conversation, into some fight, I should say, with Kevin Peterson. With the same issue, pumped the Raiders to just come back and try it in the defense. Because, see, now, Karpagam University is just leading by 1 point. And you only have Van Dam Lois to do the trick. And see, actually, Karpagam University is playing as per the trick that I am trying to inflict here. They're leaving the bonus open to Van Dam Lois. They're not going to attack him. But then the right cover, has he touched?
Shivagangai Warriors.
Yo, no bonus, no touch point. He's asking. Shivagangai Warriors have no review. They don't have a review. Right cover is touched, what he's saying.
Shivagangai Warriors.
Oh
That's number
yeah,
5 out.
bonus +1. And look who is he taken off. Shankar Nalasamy. A Raider has been taken off. Navneet, is it? No, I think what I will finish this and come back to that point. अकेले जाता है और 5 लोग या 6 लोग खड़े रहते हैं. I'll come back to that. As Selva Kumar, I think he's gone in deep. He's got a touch.
1 point. Karpagam
Right,
University.
Selva Kumar
That's number
Murugan
10
is a
out.
defender. He's got a point. Yeah, why? I think Karpagam wants a timeout. Gajendra Murthy should be the man going in, is it? No. They have sent in Selva Kumar and he also gets a point.
Karpagam University. That's number
Why
67
are the
out.
defenders not understanding that this is a
Points.
I think he pointed out the Raider, yes.
yes,
Oh, they needed this super tackle, but nice
2
kick.
points. Shivagangai Warriors. Just number 66 and 44 out.
Couple of points. How did this happen? Oh, Gajendra Murthy also has gone in to attack Nanda Kumar. Oh, there they wanted to cover the walk line and Nanda Kumar kicks the other defender out as well. Gajendra. Karpagam University will get only 1 point out of this match. Sivagangai Warriors are getting 7 points out of this match. 5 for the points, 2 for the booster. The points table, they will lose 1 point. But